Check this out. One quick caveat. Guess what I pulled today?
Figo.
Figo. Check this out. You want to know what's different about this?
No, let me. What is different?
What's different is this was pulled from a third tree. You know the two trees we normally get it from?
Yeah.
The brown turkey and the celeste?
Yeah.
This came from another tree.
Oh.
So guess what?
The first one.
No, not the first tree. It came from the
first fruit from the tree.
Yeah, this tree's been on the property for 4 years. I planted it in the ground, it almost died. I put it back in a pot, it greened. And I put it in the ground maybe 2 years ago. And the tree actually grew from maybe a foot to now it's like almost 5 feet tall. And that was just in one season this year.
Wow.
That the tree grew that far.
Welcome.
So we have multiple figs on this tree. But I noticed this today in the back hiding. So guess what? We're gonna split this open and we're gonna try for the first time to see how it compares to the celeste and the brown turkey.
Brown turkey.
So, show the folks inside. Okay.
Yeah.
One for you, one for me. And we see how it be.
And then
Bars.
together.
Nah, we don't do that. We don't do no together.
Try different things.
Nah, we don't. I gotta see your reaction first. It makes me want to know if I eat it or not.
It's different.
It's different?
Mm-hmm.
Compared to the other two?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a third fig tree unidentified animal. I know, I'm being funny. I get a chance to smell, but this actually can make it through customs.
Through customs?
Yeah, you know what that means?
No.
That means if you were smuggling these in the country, the dog wouldn't pick it up. So you can get in the country with these.
Oh.
You still don't know what I mean. Okay. 1 to 10.
9.
Whoa.
Yeah, still good. But it's not so sweet like others.
The other two trees?
Yeah.
What would you get the other two trees? You gave them like 11?
No, 10.
You gave them a 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is close.
Yes, very close.
But it's a different taste.
Yeah.
What's different about the taste?
No, the taste is similar. It's
Okay.
the same taste.
Oh.
But another one is sweet.
Sweeter.
Sweeter.
Yeah.
Sweeter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that you know what that means.
What means?
That means I'm not gonna like this.
Can you feel the difference?
Yeah, the difference is it has more crunch to it, more seeds.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
It's true. It's
The
true.
seeds are crunchier. Or what they say, this is an inverted flower. You know what that means?
Invert the flower.
Yeah, but it's inverted. Instead of being showy like a flower, the flower's inside.
Oh, okay.
Inverted.
Okay.
And I do taste the seeds. Well, you heard the crunch. No, I don't like this.
You don't like this?
I don't like it.
No. Yeah, I like more than another, but I eat this.
Nah.
No problem.
You give it a 9, I give it a. I give it a. I can't even say. I'm gonna give it a 1.
1.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Why? Just because the seeds?
No, it's like a skunky taste to it. I don't know.
Ah, baby, be gentle with your fig.
No, you can have that. You can have. You got the rest of those monsters. Ugh. That's
Yeah, the others is better.
Well, no, you got the others on that tree.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, we share.
It's fresh.
Yeah, we share.
No chemicals.
But you know what? The first 2 trees of my Celeste and my brown turkey, the first year they produced figs, I didn't like it.
Oh, maybe next year be better.
Yeah. So, this year for me, it's a no for this tree. So, in year 2 and 3 of fruiting, those will probably be better. Because I remember my brown turkey and my Celeste, the first year it was like, and I always use this terminology because it's the closest thing I can think of. It's like a grape, but a watered down grape.
Ah, okay.
Like if you had
I know what
squeezed
you mean.
grapes and you put too much water in it, but you can just taste it. It's a real faint taste. That's the closest.
I got you.
This is probably worse than the other 2 in the first year of fruiting.
Really, baby.
The other 2, it took 3 years for me to like the fig because each year the taste got better and better. This one right here, this is the beginner. No. In 3 years, if this tree ain't doing, I'm getting an axe and chopping it down to make firewood.
I eat.
Yeah, you can have it. I don't want it.
Me and Romeo.
Yeah, my dog don't like that.
He could like.
My dog don't like figo. Figo in Brazil in Portuguese, figs it's called figo. Figo.
Here is fig.
It's fig. Yeah.
We put O in the final. Figo.
Okay, this figo for me is a no-go. Bars. Your Weekend Gardener.
Bye, guys.
Peace.